Jr., 30 PNJS.
Thank you. Please take your seats. And thank you to the Alliance Jury for the kind introduction. To our presiding officer today and President of the Cabuyao Lions Club, Ernesto Ernie Di Maunahan, immediate past President, Anisito Ebat, to our second Vice District Governor, Imelda F. Echera, Global Membership Team Coordinator, past District Governor, Maria Susan Toby Antiporda, Global Leadership Team Coordinator and past District Governor, Susan Rosana R. Santillana, to all members of the District Cabinet here present and accompanying me today, to all fellow Lions of the Laguna A region and visiting Lions, to all Leos, and most especially to the officers and members of the Cabuyao Lions Club and the Cabuyao Leo Club. Isang magandang hapon po sa ating lahat. I take special pleasure in being invited to speak today on the occasion of the 55th Charter Anniversary of the Cabuyao Lions Club. 55 years is certainly no joke. More than half a century, literally. And earlier, as your short AVP was recounting, I was very glad to hear how the Cabuyao Lions Club was formed way back in the early 70s. I heard that no less than our elder in my home club, the Pasay City Host Lions Club, our past District Governor, Simeon Rene Lacson, was instrumental in your organizational meeting. And this was succeeded by an informational meeting yet again convened by past District Governor Eduardo Sison and past Council Chairperson Francisco Kiko Almeda of the Binyang Lions Club. And when the Cabuyao Lions Club would eventually be formed in 1970, you would have a leader who would take the role of charter president and not only bring pride to your club of Cabuyao, but to the entire District 301A2 and multiple District 301 Philippines, because the Cabuyao Lions Club is the home club of past Council Chairperson Graciano Gary J. Bailon. He is one of a few governors who have ever served twice. I think he served first as District Governor in the 1970s, the late 70s, when we were still District 301A. And then afterwards, around 10 years later, in 1984, he would again serve as District Governor and concurrently as Council Chairperson. The history of Lions International in this part of our district is deep. It is tight, and it is rich. I say it is deep dahil tunay pong malalim ang mga samang nabuo dahil sa Cabuyao Lions Club. The Cabuyao Lions Club is an institution having served your city and even beyond for more than 5 decades. Through your many club presidents, through your many civic and humanitarian members, you have carried out projects that serve our underprivileged and less fortunate in a grand scale and with sustained passion, tuloy-tuloy. And because you have touched the lives of so many of those in need, napakalalim ng mga ugat ng Cabuyao Lions Club dito ho sa inyong bayan at sa inyong lalawigan. Dapat naman natin yung bigyan ng masigabong palakpak. Second, I say that the Cabuyao Lions Club has a far-reaching relationship. A relationship not just with your fellow Lions Clubs here in your region, but a relationship that is good and well and alive with your district, with your multiple districts, and with our global family. Nagpapasalamat po ang inyong lingkod dahil isa po ang mga delegado ng Kabuyaw Lions Club na sa 2 beses ko po nakita kung paano sila sumuporta. Una, ang ating nakaraang 61st OSEAL Forum. Kasama natin ang inyong mga miyembro na pinangunahan ng ating Pangulong Ernie at ang kanyang sweetheart Lala. He joined me in Pattaya, and along with our many other fellow Lions of Laguna, umabot po tayo sa tumataginting na 146 registered delegates. Ito po ay pagtutulungan ng ating District Chairperson for International Convention, Marvy Dinero Robles, at ang ating District Chairperson for Travel, wala siya ngayon, pero narito ang kanyang may bahay, si DC Malu B. Gomez. When you participate in different international gatherings, it is a great opportunity for fellow Lions to broaden their perspective, to get to know more of our fellow Lions, and of course enjoy the fellowship and bonds of friendship that we so love every time we attend an affair. At yung sinasabi kong pangalawang pagkakataon na nakita ko kung paano sumuporta ang Kabuyaw Lions Club ay may kakaunting kwento. Siguro early 2022 po ito. At ako'y region chairperson po noon. At tumatakbo po akong second vice district governor. Tumawag po para sa akin ang ating kasalukuyang district administrator Aida Flora sa ating kaibigan na Pangulo rin ngayon na si Ernie Di Maunahan. At para sa akin, kanyang ipinalam kung po pwede bang lumapit ang inyong lingkod, makipag-usap at hingin ang suporta ng Kabuyaw Lions Club para sa inyong lingkod. Naibalita naman kami nagkaharap ni Pres Ernie dito sa Jollibee paglabas ng SLEX. Nasabi niya, nakakausap ko na si Dr. Roel, nakakausap ko na si Attorney Jack, at sabi nila, ang Kabuyaw Lions Club, suportado ka 100%. Kaya naman ho, ang inyong lingkod ay hindi ko malilimutan. Ang sigla, ang saya, at ang lakas ng suporta ng Kabuyaw Lions Club, hindi lamang sa aking administrasyon, kundi sa ating pinakamamahal na distrito. At yun ay aking ipinagpapasalamat. Ikatlo, nais kong ihayag na ang Kabuyaw Lions Club ay nananatiling isang napakalakas na samahan. Napakalakas dahil sa 2 bagay. Una, nakita natin ang mga club leaders ninyo, kahit na mga batikan na at mga sanay na sa kanilang mga pwesto, nariyan at nariyan pa rin ang pagserbisyo sa ating mga nangangailangan. Pangalawa, karugtong ng ating mga fellow Lions na matagal nang kasama, ay masaya tayo at malugod nating ini-welcome ngayong hapon ang 18 bagong miyembro ng Kabuyaw Lions Club. Sa akin pong tuwa, at para ko na rin ikinukwento kay Region Chairperson Anastasio at Zone Chairperson Eden, na ignaho ito halos ng isang bagong Lions Club. Sa lakas po ng suporta ng Kabuyaw Lions Club sa taon na ito at sa ating samahang Lions International, hindi malayo na ang susunod na mga taon sa pagpasok pa ng mga kapwa ko, Leo Lion, nasa magandang kamay ang Kabuyaw Lions Club upang salubungin ang inyong 60th year anniversary 5 years ago. I would like to ask the newest members inducted today to please rise. Are the members, please?
Kayo, yung mga bago po.
To all the new members inducted today, I want you to know that everybody in this hall were once in your shoes. We all once took our oaths of membership, not really understanding how great an organization Lions International is, nor really comprehending the depth of the oath that we were promising ourselves into. But one thing is for sure, by choosing to affiliate yourselves with the Kabuyao Lions Club and joining Lions International, you have certainly made the best decisions of your lives. Congratulations and welcome to our new members. Thank you. Anyway, take your seats. Next, I'd like to ask our club officers and past presidents to please rise, except our president. So sa lahat po ng mga officers at mga past president, except our president today, please rise. To all our club officers and honored past presidents, I want you to know that the district sees your contribution to the Kabuyao Lions Club. Your Lions Club is what it is today because of you. Dahil sa mga inyong pagmamalasakit, pagbibigay oras, at higit sa lahat, sa inyong pagiging committed na mga miyembro ng ating samahan. On behalf of Lions International and District 301A2, salamat po for your service and congratulations. Thank you to our officers and past presidents. Lastly, I'd like to ask the man of the hour, President Ernesto Ernie Di Maunahan, to please rise. President Ernie, I am probably the last person who should give you advice. You are a seasoned lion. You're a lion of almost 50 years, 45 years. You know how to work the club operations. You know how our district works, along with many of your fellow lions. But maybe I have this one humble piece of advice for you as you now hold presidency for the 7th time. And that is to do what is right, to do your best, and God will take care of the rest. Congratulations, President Ernie Di Maunahan. Fellow Lions, tunay pong nakagagalang ang ganitong mga pagtitipon. At higit pa pong espesyal ang araw na ito dahil nalaman ko after almost 10 years, ngayon lamang yata uli nag-induction ang Kabuyao Lions Club. Patuloy ang pagpapasalamat ng ating samahang Lions International dahil hindi ho kayo tumitigil, hindi rin ho kayo nakakampante. At hindi ho dahil sa ang tagal na nating layon kung pwede na tayo magkuyakoy at wala nang gagawin. You are trying to best not other clubs, you are trying to best yourselves. You are trying to bring out better versions of your club leaders. You are challenging yourselves to do the best service, and you are even trying to work with our district to perhaps one day revive Lionism in Candelaria, Quezon.
Why not?
So because of your initiative, I will be directing our global membership team and global extension team, along with our global leadership team, to hopefully conduct a new members orientation for a prospective new Lions Club soon within this Lion year sa bayan ng Candelaria. To be known as, at parang na-chismis na sa akin, the Candelaria Mount Banahaw Lions Club. As we go through the motions of each Lion year, isa lang naman ho ang hangad ng inyong lingkod. Na matapos ang Lion year na ito, na iniisip ng ating mga samahan, tunay kong ikinararangal at ipinagmamalaki na bahagi ako ng Lions International. At sana sa ganitong mga pagpupulong at tuwing tayo nagsasama-sama, ating patuloy na ma-enjoy ang ating pagiging leyon. Konting mga anunsyo lang po. This coming April 5, 2025, I am pleased to invite everyone here to join our 22nd Sub-District Convention. It will be held at the Summit Golf and Country Club in Lipa City in Batangas, where we will have an enjoyable affair of seminars, of trainings, an opening and closing plenary, and even an election for our nominee of International Third Vice President. Sa araw din po na iyon, may bago po tayong gagawin, ang ating unang district bowling tournament. So, ihanda na po natin ang mga magagaling sa 10-pin at ang mga pambato natin ay ilabas doon sa Summit Golf. Registration is now open. You may ask your zone and region chairpersons and cabinet officers for assistance. This is an affair open to Lions and Leos alike. Muli, ang ating Sub-District Convention, April 5, 2025. And lastly, nais ko rin kayo imbitahin sa ating parating na 76th Multiple District 301 Lions State Convention. It will be held on May 23 to 25 doon po sa amin sa Clark in Pampanga. Magiging masaya po yun na pagtitipon, 3 days and 2 nights, na magsasama-sama tayong lahat upang ihalal ang ating mga susunod na governor at mga vice governor. Registration is also now open with a promo rebate of 200 pesos for every registration of 3,500 pesos. So may discount po 3,300 na lamang. All registration must be done not online but through our district only. Okay? So bago po ako magtapos, may mga hatid po akong mga international recognition na dala mula sa ating headquarters. At dahil nga napakatagal na po ng Kabuyaw Lions Club, mayroon po tayong mga tinatawag na Chevron Awards na ibibigay ngayong hapon. And I would like to ask our Deputy Cabinet Secretary to please join me here at tatawagin ko po isa-isa upang i-present ang award ng bawat Chevron awardee. So the first awardee is for service of 35 years as a Lion. 25 years as a Lion. Lion Teresita Gala.
Dito ba?
Can I have a representative receive this? The next Lion, tatlo lang po ito, for 35 years of service as a Lion, Lion Iniego L. Villaluz.
Ganda na.
Tanda ko na.
And lastly, for 45 years as a Lion, I would like to congratulate him on receiving a Chevron Award, Lion President Ernesto L. Dimaunahan.
Matangga.
So thank you. Chevrons are awarded beginning on the 10th year of your membership and every 5 years thereafter. Pinadala po ng LCI sa akin yung mga nakamit ng kanilang Chevron Award for this entire Lion Year. At nais ko pong tawagin muli si ating Deputy Cabinet Secretary Celia. What other clubs have their Chevron Awards? At I'd like to call a representative for each club para na rin i-award natin from Laguna A. GMA Holy Family Lions Club. Representative, please. Next, standby. Makati Golden Lions Club.
Another club po is the
Congratulations!
represented
Ay, ang
by
aking pong kaibigan kapatid na taga Quezon Province.
Anong mali? 45?
O, 45 daw ikaw.
Ano ka ba dapat?
45 ako, hindi daw 45 yan.
Galing ka.
Sabi ni Deputy Cabinet.
45 oh.
Quezon Metro Reyna.
45.
I call our district
45 naman.
Kasi ba kasing edad ko ngayon lines mo?
Pinanganak niya nung ako'y...
45. Oh. Oh.
O, yun na.
Imagine, 45 years.
Quezon Metro.
Dati-dati, ang tulin-tuli ko maglakad ngayon. Hindi na.
Ilan ba yung 45? Ah, may nakalagay 45. May nakalagay 45. Wow.
55 years ang kapuyaw.
Okay, yun lamang po. And again, fellow Lions,
May edad lang ito.
I want everyone to continue enjoying their membership in Lions International. The joy that we feel as members of the world's largest service organization is because we find fulfillment in the service that we render. In closing, allow me to end my speech with my favorite quote from the book of speeches of our founder, Melvin Jones. It's called I Am Lionism and goes something like this. I am Lionism, though known by the name which I now bear, but a few brief years. I have lived in the hearts of man since the dawn of history, and will continue to live therein so long as men love justice and the service of their fellow men. I live only for others. I found life by losing it in service. I will lose it only when I live to myself alone. This is my creed. This is the reason for my existence. I live that I may serve. I am Lionism. Muli, pagbati sa mga officers and members of the Cabuyao Lions and Leo Club. And just always remember, your friend, Leo Lion Sol Flores Jr. will always be at your beck and call. Anytime, any place, anywhere, just call my name and I'll be there. Maraming salamat.
Once again.